Okay, right now you have your data in VideoPoint. If you open up the table that is close to the bottom and spread it out a bit, you can see that there's data at different points for as many data points, for as many frames as you clicked on. Even though you can go ahead and graph this in VideoPoint, the graph is not scalable and it is hard to deal with. It does good things, however, not as complete as we'd wish. So let's go ahead and select the data in VideoPoint and copy it over to Fathom. This is how you do it. Okay, in the table, notice that there are a couple different places you can click. You can click on individual times, you could click on individual data points, you can click on a row. What would work out well right now is for you to go ahead and click on one of the boxes that's on the left-hand side. So I clicked on this one. You see it selects everything, the time and the positions. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and progress up. We will go ahead and choose to copy the data. Now that the data is copied, it's in your computer's clipboard. So we will go ahead and open up Fathom. Here's Fathom. Fathom has what's called a shelf and different items up here on the shelf. A collection is a set of data. Right now you can see that the box is empty, but with this collection selected, you can see the box around it. That's different than right now where it's not selected. So make sure it's selected, come up to Edit, and do Paste Cases. Now you can see that there's some data in that collection. And if you open up Table and pull it down, here's a picture or a table of that data. Now, unfortunately, we do not want these. This looks like text. We want to go ahead and get rid of the text that's in the first couple rows. But first, let's go ahead and label the each one of the columns. So this will be our time. This is our X position. And the Y position, well, we can leave it here, but we're not going to use it. Then let's go ahead and come over here and click on the first row. You do that by clicking on the 1 and then right click and choose delete case. We also do not want the units here, which are also text. Delete case. Now you may say, but I did want units. So you can right click again on the 1 and go down until it says show units. Then right here for the time, you can type SEC. Notice that it recognized it and labeled all of the data points that way. The next one, this was in meters. M will do. And this was also in meters. Finally, to make your first graph, grab the graph from the shelf, then take and grab what you want on the x-axis and drop it there. Notice the black box indicates that I'm on the axis. And then grab the second item you want and put it on the y-axis. Be sure that you are highlighting the axis. And there's your data. Great. I hope your data looks good, and best of luck figuring out what you can from it. Bye.